Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. You can watch how traditional Turkish street bagel is made in this video. You can easily make Turkish bagel, the main ingredient of which is dough and sesame, at home. You can ask any questions about Simit and please don't forget to support by liking the video. Subscribe and click the bell icon to see new videos. Ingredients to make 9 crispy bagels. 1.5 cups of cold water, as shown here. 600 grams of flour. 8 grams of dry yeast. 10 grams of granulated sugar. 10 grams of salt. 1 spoon of soft butter. Half a glass of sugar and less than 1 glass of water to make bagel sauce. Plenty of raw sesame seeds. A large dough bowl. Prepare the bagel sauce before kneading the dough. Add a steel pot to the stove over medium heat and add sugar. Wait for the sugar to burn to brown, no need to stir. Turn off the fire and add water. I can indicate that this water is cold. Boil the bagel sauce a little. Boil for 1-2 minutes and leave the boiling sauce on the balcony to cool. Add cold water first to the dough. Add dry yeast. Here you see 8 grams of salt, then added a little more salt. Add 10 grams of salt. Add 10 grams of sugar. Mix until the salt, sugar and yeast dissolve. Add half of the flour first. Add the soft butter and mix. Add the rest of the flour and start kneading the dough by hand. Knead until you have a firm and elastic dough. In the pastry-style bagel making, unlike this dough, milk and eggs are added into it. They are two different doughs in different bagels. Street simit should be hard and crispy. Patisserie-style simit should be soft, in a pastry consistency. You can see how many grams of dough is. Let the dough stand a little. It will be enough to wait 10 minutes. It will not wait until it is completely fermented. Bagel dough should be at least 100 grams, can be made up to 150 grams. Divide the dough into equal parts. Since the dough is 945 grams in total, if 105-gram pieces are made, 9 bagels can be made. Roll the dough and let it sit for 5-10 minutes. You can start giving a bagel shape to the dough without waiting too long. First, prepare the dough by pressing and rolling it with your hands to a length of 15 centimeters. At the second stage, stretch the dough 2 times more, and it will reach a length of 30 centimeters. You cannot shape this dough too long at a time, it will retract like a rubber. At the third stage, bring the dough to a length of 60-70 centimeters. Finally, this process is completed when the doughs reach a length of 1 meter. Connect the 2 ends of the stretched dough and wrap the dough and form a knit. Join the ends and glue well, tie so that it does not open up later. After giving the dough the shape of a bagel, it is sauced and sesame is done. Bagel sauce needs to be completely cooled. If you are in the summer, leave it in the fridge. Add the dough in the shape of bagel to the bagel sauce. Add the sauce dough to the sesame seeds and cover completely with sesame seeds. Place baking paper on a baking sheet, not necessarily paper. The bagels will not stick as they are completely sesame seeds. Prepare the dough in the same thickness by squeezing it with your hand and add it to the tray. You can dry the soaked sesame and use it again later. Set the oven setting to 200 degrees. Add the bagels and cook for 20 minutes. Tea is indispensable for bagels. Frankly, I tried to eat bagels with fruit juice, cola or coffee. None of them replace tea. For Turkish tea, water is boiled well and the fire is turned off. After the high temperature is gone, the dried tea is added on top of the water. After waiting 10 minutes, the tea is ready to be drunk. In summary, after waking up in the morning, a sauce was prepared immediately and a low yeast dough was made. The dough was cut into pieces of 105 grams and 1 meter long shapes were given to the dough without waiting too long. Bagel dough dipped in sauce is then completely covered with sesame seeds. Baked in the oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees and crispy bagels prepared for breakfast. Place breakfast items such as tea, cheese, olives, tomatoes, cucumbers next to it, and eat it with pleasure. I can say that it is good with sweet products such as chocolate, jam, tahini and molasses. We have come to the end of a detailed video recipe prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.